Would you love to experience greater location freedom in your life coaching business, but you're not quite sure how you can create this for yourself? Hi, I'm Morrissey, author of 2 best-selling books, no less than Greatness and Building Your Field of Dreams, which became a PBS special. One of my clients didn't have any idea how she could create location freedom for herself. And as she was doing what we were training her to do and helping other people fulfill their dreams, one of her clients' big dream was to run the marathon on the Great Wall of China. She found out when that marathon was happening, and as she got closer and closer to her goal, she turned to her coach, Jeanette, and she said, "Is there any way possible that if I paid for it, you could come and run at least part of that marathon or all the marathon with me?" And Jeanette said, "Well, let me think and let me check my schedule here." Of course, it sounded like a great dream, not only to the client, but to Jeanette. And she said, "I'll do that too." And so here she was with pictures on the Great Wall of China, doing her work in the world and having location freedom. So here's a picture of Jeanette running the marathon on the Great Wall of China. But imagine that it's not the Great Wall of China that you want for location freedom, but you want to be able to work wherever you want to, whenever you want to. One of my coaches, her sister was sick, and she, in her previous positions, would have had to stay away and only go out for a few moments to really visit her sister. She was able to go to the town where her sister lived, set up a place where she could work and also be with her sister during those months when it was so critical for her to be with her sister. Imagine, you want a nail appointment, you can go anytime you want. You want a hair appointment, you can go anytime you want. You have a dentist appointment, you can go anytime you want. You're not beholden to someone else. You want to go have lunch with a friend. One of our coaches mentioned that she loved the benefit of holiday travel because she could work from wherever she wanted. She could actually travel early to her family's city and then work so that she could save the $300 from the full fare price that everybody else was paying because they had to stay at their job until it was just time to go for the holiday. You could actually be available for friends and family in critical moments and at the drop of a hat. One of the many benefits of being a heart-centered life coach is that you're supporting your clients in designing a life they love. This is actually transformational coaching. You want to transform your life as well. So you want to design a business and a life that you love as well. If you'd like to create greater location freedom in your business, you actually can do this. You just have to set things up properly. For example, you can coach your clients virtually via Skype or phone. Even if there are group calls, you can do this. We coach you through all of this at the Life Mastery Institute. The first step is practicing what you support your clients in, which is asking yourself, what would I love? If you had greater location freedom in your business, what would you be doing? What would it look like? And then the second step is to begin sourcing or generating ideas on how to turn your ideas into reality. Most of us, we have an idea that's beyond what we know how to do, and we just shut it down. We say, well, I don't know how to do that. And so then we go on creating the same thing over and over again. In your life coaching business, as you dream up a life that you would love to live, working from any place you would want to, when you want to, you actually can do this, but not by your old pattern. You have to generate a new pattern by which these things come true. One of the reasons I love the clients and the work that we do at Life Mastery Institute is that Life Mastery Institute is not only in name the premier transformational training company in the world, it's actually in truth. It's what we help people do. Transform one set of results into a new set of results that's much more liberating, much more life-giving, much more freedom-making, not just for the clients, but for the coaches that we train as well. And so when the coach is doing well and the clients are doing well, guess what? That part of our world starts doing really, really well. So I'm grateful for your interest in life coaching. I'm grateful that you have an interest in location freedom because my version of that is that the very power breathing you is seeking that freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And then for more step-by-step tools and proven strategies in how to start or grow a successful life coaching business that makes a profound and lasting difference in the lives of others, and then allows you to earn the abundant income that you want working from anywhere that you choose, click on the link below and download my completely free life coaching ebook. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to say I hope to see you real soon.